Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming essentials, charge and Bluetooth. On your phone, open the Noise Companion app. On the watch, swipe to Settings. Once done, tap Sound and Vibration so you land directly on ringtone controls. Make sure to keep the watch awake while you change options. This prevents timeouts. You're beginning the actual change now, not just inspecting menus. So proceed to the next slide and prepare to identify which ringtone. You'll now modify the ringtone behavior. Tap ringtone or call alerts in preview modes. If you want silence, pick silent or vibration only. Alternatively, drag volume to 0 to keep function but remove sound. Once done, press apply or save so the watch commits the change. Make sure to check the app mirror setting on your phone. Some noise watches sync audio settings from the phone app, so toggle syncing off if the watch reverts. You finish by testing. Place a call or set a short alarm and watch for sound. If you still hear a ringtone, restart the watch to ensure the new profile loads. Make sure to check Do Not Disturb and Focus modes on both devices because they can override local settings. If problems persist, reset sound settings or update the watch firmware in the app. This fixes bugs that prevent settings from saving. One key tip: reboot after updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.